Hello everyone, welcome to my series Student Fund Manager. I am Tuhin and it's great to see you here. Today I am going to show you how to calculate the risk and return of a stock using Excel. So I have divided this into four main steps. Step 1, we will have to decide on the stock and period of evaluation. So I will be calculating the risk and return on Reliance Industries for the last 5 years. Second, we will be searching and downloading the data. And lastly, we will be calculating the returns as well as the average return and risk. So without further ado, let's get started. For this process, first we will have to go to Google and we will be typing the name of the stock and followed by historical prices. And I like to use Yahoo Finance for my details. So you can see right here that the data for Reliance Industries Limited. We are going to select for last 5 years and I am going to select monthly frequency because that suits with me and that fits my purpose. Next we will hit on apply and download this data. Next we'll have to open the file and calculate the returns. So let's make a returns column here and the formula we will be using is current price minus previous price divided by previous price. You will notice one thing that there are two close values. One is close, another is adjusted close. We will be selecting the adjusted close because it also considers the stock splits and the dividends received and reflects a bit more accurately on the returns provided by the stock. Next, as we hover our cursor around this box, you can see that the cursor changes. When this changes, you will have to just double click on this and the entire column will be auto-filled with the formula. So the returns for this entire period has been calculated for you. There will be some discrepancy in the last result, mainly because uh, the frequency has not finished yet. As a result, you can just delete this last column and after that we will be finding out the average return and the risk or standard deviation of our stock. So you can type in here average return as a reference and risk. For average return, we will be using this formula is equal to average open bracket and we will have to address the cell with the first data which is H3 and colon, and we will have to address the last data. Doing this, it will select the entire column and we will have to use the closing bracket and press enter to get our data. Next we will be doing the same thing for risk. We will be using the formula stdev for standard deviation dot p for population. Since we have the whole series, we can use the population function here. We will be using H3 to H61 just like before. We are just addressing the same data and by pressing enter you will get the monthly return and risk for Reliance Industries Limited for the last 5 years. This process of calculating average risk and return is very useful when during the construction of portfolio analysis, which I will show you in another video. So this is how you can calculate average return and risk using Excel. Bye bye. I will see you next time.